Hi friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. In my last video, I have shown you how to make a docking station for ROG LA. So in that video, I have shown you only the printing part, but in this video, I will show you how to make it a complete version. So this is part 2. It was initially it was part 1. So in this video, I will show you how to install RGB unit and the main docking unit. So first of all, I have purchased a ring RGB module. So you can see friend, and I have 3D printed the middle part to install the RGB module. So this RGB module has three output. One is data in, data out, and positive and negative. So you will not require data out, only you have to use data in of this module. So here I will install the docking unit. So after installations of all unit, it look like this. You can see friend. So this circuit I have installed is basically RGB controller, and it will not worth you more than 100 rupees maximum. So the entire unit will cost you around 1100 to 1200 rupees. So it is 4 to 5 times cheaper than that of normal docking station. So in normal docking station for gaming, for Steam Deck or ROG LA, it will cost you around 7000 to 8000 rupees, but you cannot make it RGB type. So you have to purchase RGB type docking unit, and it will cost you more than 10,000 rupees. So it is better to build this type of docking unit for gaming, that is for Steam Deck or Asus ROG. And you can see friend, after completing, it look amazing. So for this reason only I have printed the entire unit with transparent filament. So the entire unit was printed with the help of transparent filament in 3D printer, and you can see friend, it is looking amazing. So friend, when you will use this unit with your gaming device, you will get another level of experience. However, you can able to use this unit for watching movies or YouTube, whatsoever you want, but it will give you the best experience during the time of gaming. So however, I have built this one for my Asus ROG LA, and this type of docking unit is also compatible with Steam Deck and different types of gaming unit. So friend, I think you can see how amazing it is looking. So it is better to build our own custom docking station or docking unit for your gaming devices rather than purchasing it with high cost. So friend, I think all of you have liked this video, so please subscribe S&D Innovations and don't forget to press the like button. Help me to increase my subscriber. Thank you.